Most AI music creators upload songs and wait. Nothing happens. A few streams here and there, maybe 50 total, but the ones making money are doing something completely different. They are not waiting for discovery, they are manufacturing it. Here is exactly how. The truth is simple. Spotify has over 600 million users. Most of them find music through playlists, not through search, not through radio, playlists. If your AI song is not on playlists, nobody hears it, period. But here's what most people get wrong. They think playlists are luck, that some curator randomly finds their song. That is not how this works. There are 3 types of playlists on Spotify. Algorithmic playlists like Discover Weekly and Release Radar, editorial playlists curated by Spotify's team, and user playlists created by regular people. Each type needs a different strategy. Let me break them down. First, algorithmic playlists. Discover Weekly, Release Radar, Daily Mix. These are powered by Spotify's recommendation engine. The system looks at what users with similar taste are listening to. If those users engage with your song, you get recommended to more people. The key here is engagement signals, saves, playlist ads, repeat listens, completion rate. You need real listeners taking real actions, not bots, not fake streams. Spotify's fraud detection is very good now. If they catch you, your song is removed, your account is banned. Not worth it. Instead, build a small group of genuine listeners, friends, family, people from online communities. Have them save your song, add it to their personal playlists. Listen to the full track. Do this in the first 48 hours after release. That signal tells Spotify your song is worth pushing. Second, editorial playlists. These are the big ones. New Music Friday, Mint, Fresh Finds. Getting on one can generate thousands of streams in a week. To get considered, you must pitch through Spotify for Artists. This is the critical step most people skip. When you distribute through DistroKid, your song appears in Spotify for Artists before it goes live, sometimes weeks before. You must pitch it immediately. Your pitch needs 3 things: an accurate genre and mood selection, a compelling description of the song, and a note about your promotion plan. Do not write something generic like "great song." Write specifics. Mention the instruments, the production style, the emotion. Say you plan to promote it on social media. Share it with playlist curators. Run ads. Spotify editors read these pitches. They want to see you are serious. Third, user playlists. These are created by everyday Spotify users. Some have millions of followers. Getting on them is a numbers game. Use tools like SubmitHub and Groover. You pay a small fee to submit your song directly to curators. They listen and decide. Expect lots of rejections. That is normal. One yes from the right playlist changes everything. Also search for curators on Instagram and Reddit. Many playlist owners post submission forms. Reach out politely. Send one song. Respect their time. Now here is the part everyone forgets. Metadata. Your song title, your artist name, your genre tags. These determine which playlists Spotify even considers you for. If your song has no accurate genre tag, Spotify does not know where to place it. You are invisible to the algorithm. Before you distribute, check your metadata. Choose one primary genre. Do not pick 5 genres hoping for more reach. That confuses the system. Pick one. Be precise. Same with mood tags. Is your song energetic or chill, happy or melancholic? Pick the one that fits best. AI music gives you an advantage here. You control every element of the song. You can design for a specific playlist. Want to target the chill vibes playlist? Make a chill song. Tag it as chill. Pitch it that way. Consistency between your sound and your metadata is everything. Now here is the most important thing. You cannot pitch to playlists without distribution. Your song must be on Spotify first. That means you need a distributor. DistroKid is the fastest option. Your song goes from upload to Spotify in about 2 days, sometimes faster, and you get Spotify for Artists access to submit your pitch. The DistroKid Pro plan unlocks the Spotify pitching feature. Check the link in the description for 7% off. One more advanced tip. Release consistently. One song every 2 weeks. Every release is a new chance to pitch, a new opportunity for algorithmic playlists, a new first 48-hour window. The creators earning serious money with AI music do not release once and hope. They treat it like a pipeline. Song creation, distribution, pitching, promotion, repeat. 100 songs doing 1,000 streams each is better than one song doing 100,000, because the algorithm